Hello. Thank you for joining us today. Welcome to our Click and Trade. To view the strategy card, click on the Strategy tab. Click on the strategy you wish to view. The strategy card contains detailed information about the strategy. You can find details about the strategy since the day it was added to the iClick and Trade platform. This information includes a summary of its performance, strategy curve, the history of its T-score, current open positions, trade history, and a description provided by the strategy developer. The information can be filtered by time frame. At the top of the strategy card, you will see the strategy name, the currency pair the strategy is trading, and the time frame. By clicking on the star icon, you can add strategies to your watch list for future reference. If you wish to add the strategy to your portfolio, click on the plus icon. To the left you will see a T-score. The T-score is a number between 0 and 10. The T-score summarizes the strategy's performance over time, while taking into account the strategy's current momentum. When there are new strategies being added by the developers, a strategy's T-score will appear as NA if it has not yet reached 50 trades. This is because there is not enough information to rate it. The green-red triangle in the T-score box indicates whether the strategy's T-score is going up or down. If you have more than one strategy card open simultaneously, you can click on the tab of the strategy you wish to view. The start date is the day the strategy began trading that specific currency pair. Total trades is the total number of trades opened and closed by the strategy during the selected time frame. Total pips is the number of pips that was generated by the strategy during the selected time frame. Below, you will see 5 different tabs. The first tab is the Graphs tab. Under the Graphs tab, here are 2 sub-tabs: Strategy Curve and T-score. By selecting Strategy Curve, you can view the strategy's equity curve in pips for the selected time frame. Selecting T-score will show you the strategy's T-score curve. To view the strategy's statistics, click on the Statistic tab. The Max DD, or Maximum Drawdown, will show you the worst losing sequence of the strategy in pips. The Maximum Drawdown is the largest drop from net balance peak to net balance valley. MB, or max positions, illustrates the number of open positions that a strategy may trade simultaneously for a currency pair. The MB is determined by the strategy. For example, an MP of 2 means that the strategy may trade 2 positions at the same time. Hence, if your trade size is 10,000, you might actually have 2 positions trading 10,000 each, for a total of 20,000. The profit factor is the ratio of the net profit versus the net loss in account currency terms. This ratio shows by how much the profit exceeded the loss. For example, a value greater than 1 means the strategy has generated more profits than losses. The average trade time is the average holding period in hours of each trade. Average pips per trade is a calculation of the pips generated by the strategy divided by the number of trades. Average profit trade is a calculation of the gross profit in pips divided by the number of profitable trades. Average losing trade is a calculation of the gross loss in pips divided by the number of losing trades. Largest profitable trade is the trade that resulted in the largest profit in pips. Largest losing trade is the trade that resulted in the largest loss in pips. Rollover is the amount credited or debited for trades held overnight, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, due to different interest rates between the currencies. Traded symbols is a list of all the currency pairs the strategy is trading. To see if the strategy currently has an open position, click on the Strategy Current Open Positions tab. If you do not see anything there, then the system is flat or is not currently in a position. Click on the Strategy Trade History tab to see the strategy's trade history. If you wish to export this data to an Excel spreadsheet for further analysis, simply click on the export icon and an Excel report will be downloaded to your computer. Click on the strategy description to view the developer's description of the strategy. The strategy card provides you with the most comprehensive information about the strategy. Use this information to decide which strategies you wish to add to your portfolio. If you wish to publish this strategy to Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn, click on the publishing icon and select the social site you would like to publish the strategy to. To close the strategy card, click on the X sign. Thank you for watching this video. To watch additional videos and to learn more about the iClickandTrade platform, visit us at www.iClickandTrade.com. You can find additional videos, articles, frequently asked questions, and also the user manual in the educational section of the website. Thank you for your interest. We wish you a very successful trading experience.